Ancestry's mission is rooted in belonging, and diversity is extremely important to Ancestry. We want to make sure our product is represented for all people, and having that diverse perspective for people who are building that product helps us do that. People joining even at really individual contributor roles to all the way to leadership roles, people have the empowerment to be able to shape their destiny. They can shape how the product is built, they can shape what technologies we use, and that's something they should look forward to. I have been at Ancestry for over 14 years now, and what has kept me here is not only the incredibly cool things that we are building, we're also building it with people that feel like a family. And that is something extremely powerful. Because our mission is so family-centric, it reflects in our work culture as well. And that's something very unique to Ancestry.